एक जण आले आपणच आपल्या वरचीच आहे.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's live. Myself, Shubhangi.
Hello everyone, good afternoon, Ashwini here.
टुडे हम डिस्कस करेंगे जो अपकमिंग रिक्वायरमेंट्स आई है मिडल ईस्ट के लिए, यूरोप कंट्रीज के लिए, जो अभी अपकमिंग इंटरव्यूज आ रहे हैं या जो भी ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यूज हो रहे हैं उसके रिगार्डिंग. सो कैन वी हैव द इंट्रोडक्शन प्लीज? Introduction. So I'll just give a brief introduction about Ambe International. Ambe International is a manpower consultancy which holds the first recruitment license issued in India in 1983 to an overseas recruitment company in India. Ambe has made over 350,000 plus placement in 25 plus countries. Over the years, we have been serving a catalyst in bringing together career seeker employers from across the world. We have been instrument in placing unskilled, semi-skilled, and skilled and highly skilled personnel in various sectors globally with an aim to achieve more in the future. So, as per 27 February, we'll discuss to the current job opening. We have been come across the clients and we'll discuss which are the positions open for the face-to-face interviews and the online interviews also. So, can we have the slide, please? So current hiring we are having for UAE, it's a long-term project for leading oil and gas company. So face-to-face interview is by today, 27th of February, 27 February 2026 at Ambe International Office, Mumbai. Open positions are for QC engineer for piping and welding, QC engineer for welding, QC inspector tank, QC inspector piping and welding, QC inspector for PWHT, QC inspector for steel structure, powered PCN level 2 welding. Gulf experience is preferred, oil and gas experience and mandatory. If you are interested and if you are not in the Mumbai, you can share your CV at qaqc@indianpersonal.com. For further information, you can call on 89280 69532, 8655843961, 86570 8291734621, 86570 Our landline number is 02261631234. So if you are in Mumbai, you can visit Ambe International Office. If you are not available in Mumbai, you can share on your CV on the given number. Even you can contact our given WhatsApp numbers are available and the landline number also. Next. If you are first time joining to our live, please do the candidate registration given the link below http://bit.ly/ambi for upcoming job requirement. You can also share yes, scan our QR code to join our WhatsApp channel to get the upcoming job requirements. नेक्स्ट ओपनिंग वी आर हैविंग फॉर कतार लॉन्ग टर्म. ये लार्जर वैकेंसी है विद इमीडिएट डिपार्चर. फ्री फूड एंड अकोमोडेशन है कंपनी के साइड से. फाइनल क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू रहेगा 28 फरवरी 2026, दैट इज टुमारो, कल के लिए है. इंटरव्यू लोकेशन है अंबे इंटरनेशनल ऑफिस 507 शहायनार इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट, डॉक्टर ई मर्सिस रोड, बदली नाका, मुंबई 400018. पोजीशन रहेगी पाइपिंग सुपरवाइजर. लार्जर वैकेंसी है 20 नंबर्स की और कैंडिडेट शुड हैव डिप्लोमा क्वालिफिकेशन. ऑल कैंडिडेट शुड होल्ड 3+ years of oil and gas Gulf experience. Contact number for this is 96196 05177 773889109. Our landline number is 02261431234. मेल आईडी आप आपका सीवी विद ऑल डॉक्यूमेंट शेयर कर सकते हो mechanical@indianpersonal.com पे. इफ यू आर फर्स्ट टाइम ज्वाइन कर रहे हो तो नीचे जो लिंक आप देख रहे हो उस पर क्लिक करके कैंडिडेट रजिस्ट्रेशन कर लीजिए, तो आपको अपकमिंग जॉब ओपनिंग्स के अपडेट आते रहेंगे. अगर अभी तक आपने हमारा व्हाट्सएप चैनल ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो आप स्कैनर देख पा रहे हो, गूगल लेंस से हमारा व्हाट्सएप चैनल ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. नेक्स्ट.
Uh, Hello. We are having opening for the long term large vacancies for the it will be free food and accommodation required for the leading oil and gas company for their project in Qatar and Saudi Arabia. Shortlisting in progress in Ambe International office. Final client interview will be held on 3rd March of 2026 at Ambe International office in Mumbai. Should have 3+ years of experience in oil and gas in India and Gulf. It is for Qatar. Positions are digging foreman, instrument foreman, painting foreman, piping foreman, welding foreman, scaffolding foreman, structural foreman, and supervisor, instrument foreman, painting supervisor, instrument supervisor, piping supervisor, safety supervisor, scaffolding supervisor, uh, instrument mechanical supervisor, welding supervisor, structural supervisor, rigging supervisor, superintendent, instrument superintendent, painting superintendent, piping superintendent, scaffolding superintendent, structural superintendent, equipment superintendent, rigging superintendent. Saudi, it is for QA/QC inspector and manager. Disciplines are mechanical, painting, civil, and ENI. Mechanical ENI, mechanical QA/QC inspector, painting QA/QC inspector, civil QA/QC inspector, ENI QA/QC inspector, manager, mechanical manager, painting manager, civil manager, ENI manager, and piping superintendent and scaffolder. You can contact on the given numbers 89280 8655843961 8657019481 8291734621 8657051262 8657019484 8657764128 or else you can call it on a landline number 022 61431 234 or else 773889102 or else 773889102 or else you can mail it on the resumes@indianpersonal.com or else you can scan the QR code given below. You will get the update for the requirements or else you can register the given link also http://bit.ly:/ambi. Next, we having Middle East long term large vacancy. It will be free food and accommodation given by company requirement for the oil and gas company for the project in Qatar, UAE, and Saudi. Final client interview will interviews are going on in the interviews are going on in Ambe International office and it is for Qatar. Positions are piping supervisor, project QA/QC. Piping supervisor, project QA/QC manager, mechanical QA/QC mechanical engineer, senior quantity surveyor, mechanical, vehicles equipment inspector, transport coordinator, plant mechanical foreman, pipe fitter, fabricator, heavy duty driver, valid or expired Qatar license, light duty drivers, valid expired Qatar license, heavy heavy truck driver, QA/QC mechanical engineer, mechanical inspector, welding inspector, hydrotest supervisor, catering supervisor, male nurse, piping foreman, scaffolding foreman, structural foreman, welding foreman, safety officer, HSC officer, superintendent, equipment inspector, painting, piping, scaffolding, structural, supervisor, instrument, painting, piping, scaffolding, and structural, planning engineer, piping, structural, mechanical, scheduler, scaffolding foreman with PTW, scaffolding supervisor, scaffolding inspector, scaffolding foreman, scaffolding insulation QC engineer, foreman and supervisor, painting foreman with PTW, and painting QC inspector, supervisor, PTWs. We have UAE. For UAE positions are the senior project manager, construction manager, and with the mechanical background. Lead mechanical engineer QAQC QAQC mechanical, lead engineer QAQC civil, senior engineer mechanical SNP, in the structural engineer, mechanical engineer, static and rotating piping engineer, lifting engineer, HSC engineer, HSC officer, senior quantity surveyor, coordinator permit to work, QAQC engineer, civil, mechanical, static and rotating, structural and piping, and sandblaster, QAQC inspector, civil, mechanical, structural piping hand painting, supervisor structural rigging, scaffolding, foreman piping, rigging, scaffolding, structural mechanical with static and rotating background, and millwright, mechanical draftsman, labor, steel fixture, so shuttering carpenter, mason, rigger, scaffolder, mechanical fitter, GRE fitter, GRP laminator, and air spray painter. Saudi, there will be a no takamol required. Positions are light driver with KSA license, bus driver with KSA license, um, and truck driver KSA license, rigger level 2 and 3, safety officer, HSC officer, machinist, inspector, QAQC, welding, piping, painting and coating, QAQC supervisor, welding, piping, painting and coating, SSC vendor, 6G TNR, pipe fitter, pipe fabricator, 6G TNR welder, structural fitter, structural fabricator, civil labor, sandblaster, scaffolder, in industrial electrician, instrument technician, instrument fitter, steel metal fitter, rigger, and rigger sergeant, scaffolder sergeant. All the other positions with it, such as feeder, fabricator, carpenter, steel fixture, mason, should have 3+ years of experience in oil and gas in India and Gulf, and welder should have running welding card original. You can contact on the given numbers, 8291734621, or else 8655843961, 8657019484, 8928069532, 8657051262, 8657019481, or else 77189460988, 8657764128, or else you can share it on the given mail ID, amberesumes@indianpersonal.com, or else you can scan the QR code given below, or else you can register the given link, http://bit.ly/ambi. Next. Next, we have for the Europe, it is for Belarus long term urgent requirement for position are mason, bricklaying, tiles, plaster. Job descriptions are brick worker, construction as per drawing and specification, floor and wall tiles, fixing with proper alignment and finishing, internal and external plastering work, reading basic construction drawing, maintaining quality and safety standard at site. ये मेसन के लिए है, ब्रिक लेइंग, टाइल्स और प्लास्टर का है, वो जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है, ब्रिक वर्क कंस्ट्रक्शन ड्राइंग का स्पेसिफिकेशन होना चाहिए, फ्लोर एंड वॉल टाइल्स का फिक्सिंग विद प्रॉपर अलाइनमेंट फिनिशिंग होना चाहिए, एंड इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल प्लास्टर वर्क, रीडिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन के बारे में ड्राइंग आना चाहिए, मेंटेन क्वालिटी एंड सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड एट साइट. सैलरी जो दिया है $700 पर मंथ, इंग्लिश नॉलेज थोड़ा मैंडेटरी है, एंड यू कैन, द नंबर दिया गया है वो नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हो, 9987192144, 702111021448, और आप सीवी फॉरवर्ड कर दो europe@indianpersonal.com पे, या फिर anandcv@indianpersonal.com पे. अगर आप विजिट करना है अम्बे इंटरनेशनल ऑफिस में 507 शायनर इंडस्ट्रियल रीट साइड डॉक्टर इमोस रोड वर्ली नाका मुंबई 400018 या फिर आप नए हो स्कैन कर लो आपको अगर इन फ्यूचर अगर कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट है तो आपको व्हाट्सएप चैनल दिया गया है वो स्कैन कर लो या फिर रजिस्टर कर लो http:/bit.ly/mbi नेक्स्ट we having other for Qatar. It is for long term for the leading oil and gas company. All candidate must have oil and gas and GCC experience is must. Position are project engineer coordinator should have bachelor degree in engineer with civil, mechanical, electrical or related field is required. Minimum of 15 years of experience in project engineer within the oil and gas or construction industry and proven experience coordinating multidisciplinary engineer task from the design through execution. Another is project manager should have bachelor degree in mechanical engineer with project manager or related field is required with PMP or equivalent certificate preferred. Minimum 12 to 15 years of experience as a project manager in oil and gas industrial, including at least 5 years of Middle East experience. Next, project QA/QC manager. Candidate must hold a bachelor degree in engineer or construction manager. Possess at least 10 years of experience as a QA/QC experience in large oil and gas manufacturing project and demonstrating strong leading, analytic, and communication skill. Required professionally certification in quantity manager, example ISO 901, Six Sigma, etc. RS plus. You can contact or given you can WhatsApp the CVs on the given number 82917 34621, or else you can call it on the landline number 0226141, or else you can mail it on emma@indianpersonal.com. You can scan the QR code given below, or else you can register the given link http://bit.ly ambi ambe. You can send the CV at amberesumes@indianpersonal.com. Next.
Next. नेक्स्ट ओपनिंग जो है वो कतार लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए है, लीडिंग ऑयल एंड गैस कंपनी के लिए। ये टोटली फ्री रिक्रूटमेंट होगा। पोजीशंस ओपन है क्यूसी इंस्पेक्टर फॉर इंसुलेशन, इंसुलेशन सुपरवाइजर, क्यूसी इंस्पेक्टर फॉर पेंटिंग, पेंटिंग सुपरवाइजर, पेंटिंग फोरमैन प्लस पीटीडब्ल्यू। अगर आपके पास पीटीडब्ल्यू का कार्ड नहीं है तो भी चलेगा, अगर आपसे पेंटिंग फोरमैन का एक्सपीरियंस है तो भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो। वहां पे जाके एग्जाम देके आपको पीटीडब्ल्यू का कार्ड मिल जाएगा। स्कैफोल्डिंग इंस्पेक्टर, scaffolding supervisor, scaffolding foreman, again scaffolding foreman PTW and permit to work। कि परमिट टू वर्क के लिए भी ओपनिंग आई है। अगर आपको मिनिमम 3 इयर्स ऑफ गल्फ एक्सपीरियंस है तो आप अप्लाई कर लीजिए। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हो तो कॉल कर लीजिए 8655843961, 8657019481। हमारा लैंडलाइन नंबर है 02261431234। आप आपका सीवी शुभांगी CV@indianpersonal पे शेयर कर लीजिए। हमारी कंसर्न रिक्रूटमेंट टीम आपको कांटेक्ट कर लेगी। अगर अभी तक आपने हमारा व्हाट्सएप चैनल ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो जो QR कोड है उसको आप स्कैन कीजिए एंड हमारा व्हाट्सएप चैनल ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, तो आपको अपकमिंग जॉब ओपनिंग्स आते रहेंगे। अगर अभी तक आपने कैंडिडेट रजिस्ट्रेशन लिंक किया नहीं है तो जो नीचे लिंक है उस पर क्लिक करके कैंडिडेट रजिस्ट्रेशन लिंक कर लीजिए, प्लस आप आपका CV अम्बे रेज्यूमे @indianpersonal पे शेयर कर लीजिए। नेक्स्ट। नेक्स्ट ओपनिंग है कतार लॉन्ग टर्म फॉर लीडिंग ऑयल एंड गैस कंपनी। ये ऑनशोर ऑफशोर के लिए रहेगा, मैकेनिकल डिसिप्लिन के लिए। वी हैव ओपनिंग फॉर सीनियर कंस्ट्रक्शन सुपरवाइजर हु हैव वर्क इन पाइपिंग, if you have been a piping supervisor and you have work in construction work, so you can apply for construction supervisor also as well, same. But if you have work only in piping and in maintenance, so you won't be able to apply. There is a difference between construction work and maintenance work. So this is an opening for senior construction supervisor. If you have work as a piping supervisor, as a piping engineer, so you can apply for this position. Next opening is piping engineer, mechanical foreman who have work in piping and structure. For mechanical foreman, if you are working piping foreman and you have structure experience, तो आप apply कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट ओपनिंग है रिगिंग कम स्कैफोल्डिंग फॉरमैन. इसमें आपको दोनों का नॉलेज रहना जरूरी है, रिगिंग का भी एंड स्कैफोल्डिंग का भी. नेक्स्ट ओपनिंग है ऑटो टेक्नीशियन और टेक्निकल असिस्टेंट विथ पाइपिंग एंड स्ट्रक्चर नॉलेज. अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हो, आप आपका CV 8655843961 पे शेयर कर लीजिए. हमारा लैंडलाइन नंबर है 0226143123 4. आप आपका CV शुभांगी CV@Indian Personal पे शेयर कर लीजिए. नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट ओपनिंग है अर्जेंट हायरिंग फॉर प्रोजेक्ट कॉस्ट कंट्रोल for tender engineer. Location is Qatar. Experience required is 8 to 10 years and with immediate joining. We are looking for an experienced confidence with a strong knowledge in electrochemical with mechanical and electrical discipline. We want like electromechanical. We require the candidate with both the discipline who have worked in both the project, mechanical and electrical disciplines. Key skills will be tender preparation, cost estimation and study, invoice preparation, cost and productive control. Oil and gas Gulf experience is mandatory. If you are interested, please share your CV at nehacv@Indian Personal. You can contact on 89280 69532. Still, if you have not joined our WhatsApp channel, please scan the QR code given on our live. So you will get the upcoming job opening. And if you are still not made the registration on Ambe, so the given link below is http://bit.ly/ambei. You click on this link and do the candidate registration so you can get the upcoming job requirement. Even you can share your CV at Ambe resume @Indian Personal. Next. Next opening is for Trax Qatar, Trax company for Qatar long term for leading oil and gas company. The opening position is telecom technician for offshore. Experience in OTDR testing and fiber splitting. Good communication skill is required. Expertise in telecom infrastructure system, experience in CCTV and access control system, ACS, experience in PAGA, public address and general alarm system, experience in OTN, optical transport network, and qualification required is diploma. If you have the experience with telecom technician for offshore, please apply for this position. For further information, call us on 86570 Our landline number is 0226143150. Mail ID is supriya@Indian Personal. Next. नेक्स्ट ओपनिंग है हमारे पास जो है दुबई लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए फैक्ट्री वर्कर. लोड 25 kg मटेरियल बैग्स इनटू द मशीन एंड pack the done material in fresh 25 kg bag. So your job responsibility to load 25 kg material का जो बैग रहेगा उसको मशीन्स में डालना, अगेन उसको पैक करना इन फ्रेश 25 kg बैग. सो दिस इज द वर्क ऑफ द फैक्ट्री वर्कर. वीजा टाइप रहेगा एम्प्लॉयमेंट वीजा. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पीयर होगा 2 years के लिए विद फ्री फूड अकोमोडेशन एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. ड्यूटी आवर्स रहेंगे 10 आवर्स, वर्किंग डेज रहेंगे 6 plus OT as per Dubai law. If you are interested, call us on 93210 17168. हमारा लैंडलाइन नंबर है 0226143124। आप आपका सीवी asif@indian personal पे शेयर कर लीजिए। अगर अभी तक आपने हमारा व्हाट्सएप चैनल ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो दिया गया स्कैनर पे आप गूगल लेंस से स्कैन कर लीजिए। इमीडिएटली विल बी अ ग्रुप मेंबर ऑफ व्हाट्सएप चैनल ऑफ अम्बे। Still, if you have not made a candidate registration, please click on the given link below http://bit.ambi and do candidate registration to further information and upcoming job openings. Next.
We are hiring for the Qatar locations. It is for long-term project leading oil and gas company. Uh, Positions are pre-commissioning and preservation manager. Requirements are degree diploma in mechanical, electrical, instrument engineer, 10 to 15 years of experience in pre-commissioning preservation, strong experience in multidiscipline commissioning activities, knowledge of PNI, FAT and SAT, loop checking and turnover, experience in equipment preservation and documents. Key roles are lead pre-commissioning preservation and startup activities, producers and checklist and execution plans, coordinate with construction QAQC and vendors, ensuring compliance with safety and project standards. Locations are Qatar. Project will be long term. You can candidate must have Gulf experience. Send the CV at neha@indianpersonal.com. Contact or WhatsApp you given number 89280 69532, or else you can visit the Ambe International also, or else you can scan the QR code given below, or else you can register the given link http://bit.ly/ambi ambe, or else you can share the CV ambe resumes at the indianpersonal.com. Next. Next, we are having vacancy for the Saudi long term, for the leading oil and gas company, for the machinist, for the leading oil and gas company. It is machinist communication in writing and spoken English. English is must. Should have a diploma or certification. Machinist should be expert in mechanical seal repair and overall identified in attachment 2. Okay, and machinists should have the experience to perform relief valve test and overall identify. Have a good knowledge in troubleshooting the diesel engineer, well familiar in overhauling all kinds of valve and machinist seal and revise alignment. Fiber optic or FO technician, diploma or IT in electrician, and on experience in fiber optic cabling and spiling termination. Good experience in using OTDR. We having opening for Qatar long term. It is for valve supervisor. Should have experience 7 years of experience valve supervisor in oil and gas industry. Diploma in mechanical. QA/QC engineer ENI should have bachelor degree or equivalent qualification in electrician. You can WhatsApp or share the CV on the given number 8657051262, or else you can call it on the landline number 02261431234, or else mail it on mechanical@indianpersonal.com. Next, next, we have an opening for the Qatar short term for the leading oil and gas company. Positions are piping supervisor, scaffolding supervisor, digging supervisor, scaffolding inspector, mechanical inspector, mechanical inspector, HSC officer, for electrical foreman, general foreman, piping and structural and fabrication. All candidate must have 5+ years of Gulf experience. WhatsApp or contact on the given number 8657051262, or call it or else you can call it on the landline number 02261431234. I will repeat the positions. It is for Qatar short term for the leading oil and gas company. Piping supervisor, scaffolding supervisor, rigging supervisor, scaffolding inspector, mechanical inspector. HSC officer, electrical foreman, general foreman should have experience in piping, structure and fabrication, and must have 5 plus of Gulf experience. Number has been given 8657051262. Mail it on mechanical at the rate indianpersonal.com. Share the you can scan this QR code given below, or else you can share the CV at amberesumes at the rate indianpersonal.com, or else you can register in the given below. Link has been given http http://bit.ly:/ambi Next. बस बस
Next. Next opening we are having for UAE. It's a long-term project. It's we have come up with UAE with larger numbers of vacancy upcoming. So right now we have the opening for tunnel projects. So the positions open are subcontracting assistant manager, subcontracting engineer, procurement assistant manager, and procurement engineer. So if you have Indian experience also, and already if you have worked in tunnel projects in anywhere in India, so you can apply for this. Experience in tunnel metro project is must. So they are looking for someone who have been work in speed rail tunnel project, railway projects. So if you have any tunnel experience, please apply for this position. The number given below is 8655843961, 8657019484. Our landline number is 02261431234. You can share your CV at shubhangicv@indianpersonal.com. Next. Next opening we are having for Qatar long term. Opening for leading power plant projects. Position open is for planning engineer. We are looking for planning engineer with heat recovery steam generator. So anyone who have worked in boiler plant with heat recovery steam generator HRSG with construction project can apply for this position. A pristine power plant project in Qatar is seeking for an experienced planning engineer with storage in HR, strong knowledge in HRSG, construction expertise. Key responsibility would be develop and manage the project schedule with Primavera P6, monitor progress, critical path and recovery plans, SRSG, erection planning, modular, pressure path, deduction, piping and commissioning, conduct duty and analyze and provide EOT support. Pro, Resources planning and cost coordination. Requirement is for who have been worked with minimum 5 to 10 years experience in EPC or power or oil and gas project with this system like a heat recovery steam generator who have experience minimum at least if you have worked 1 or 2 years also with this heat recovery steam generator project or with a boiler project, so you can apply for this minimum 3 years of experience in HRSG, or if you have 1 2 years of experience then also you can apply, or power plant planning. Strong knowledge of combined cycle projects preferred. Bachelor degree in engineering mechanical preferred. Minimum 3 years of Gulf experience required for this position. If you are interested, please call us on 8655843961. Our landline number is 02261431234. Our mail ID is shubhangicv@indianpersonal.com.
Next, we are having opening for the Abu Dhabi. It is for long-term project. It's a free requirement. We are hiring for the leading oil and gas company EPC client in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. It is for opening position. Yard experience is mandatory. Positions are construction engineer yard. Should have BE mechanical supervisor fabrication. BE mechanical position as construction engineer yard. BE mechanical supervise fabrication and erection of steel piping and equipment, and construction supervisor at yard, diploma in mechanical engineer, fabrication of offshore jacket decks and piles, ensure diminishing accuracy, coordinate with stores and QC. Welding supervisor yard responsibilities, supervisor welding as per WPS and NDT, monitor welding, defect and consumable, maintain welding productivity. Fourth, piping supervisor yard responsibility, supervise piping, fabrication and erection, monitor fit up, hydro test and result statement, ensure QA/QC and safety compliances. Position are construction engineer yard, construction supervisor yard, welding supervisor yard, and piping supervisor yard. Responsibility and qualification has been given. Oil and gas experience is required. Minimum 5 years of experience in oil and gas in in Gulf is mandatory. You can contact on the given number 892806952, or else you can call it on the landline number 02261431234, or else you can mail it on nehacv@indianpersonal.com, or else you can register the given below link, or else you can share the CV at amberesumes@indianpersonal.com. Next.
Can we have the question answers, please? Yes.
हैवी ड्राइवर विकास चौधरी 5256. हैवी ड्राइवर के लिए है सर, सऊदी के लिए है, एंड अनदर कंट्रीज के लिए भी है. आप सीवी फॉरवर्ड कीजिए, या फिर आप मुंबई में हो, अंबे ऑफिस में विजिट कीजिए. जो भी आपके पास लाइसेंस वैलिड रहेगा, एक्सपायर रहेगा, देन टू यू कैन अप्लाई. नेक्स्ट. LinkedIn users. Civil engineer, 17 years of experience. Civil engineer, present we don't have any vacancy for the civil engineer. You can share the CV at the given mail ID, mechanic civil @indianpersonal.com, or else Ambe resumes Ambe resumes @indianpersonal.com. Next.
Mohammad Mehtab. Thank you, sir, for joining the live. Ma'am, is there any vacancy for mechanical fresher engineer? So right now we have not come up with any fresher engineer vacancy, but you can share your CV at mechanical @ Indian Personal. तो जब भी न्यू ओपनिंग्स आ जाती हैं तो हम आपको डायरेक्टली कांटेक्ट कर लेंगे सर. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट. Pawan Tiwari. Ma'am, kindly you have any requirement for site supervisor? So right now we don't have opening, but soon we'll be coming up with the openings in construction maintenance for supervisors, engineers. So meanwhile, you share your CV at mechanical @ Indian Personal. So whenever the opening has been resumed, the concerned team can connect with you. Next.
मनोहर शिंदे. हेलो मैम, आई एम शटरिंग कारपेंटर. सर, अभी शटरिंग कारपेंटर का वैकेंसी है 3 कंट्रीज के लिए है, सऊदी, कतर एंड यूएई के लिए. आप नियर बाय मुंबई में हो, आप एक बार अम्बे इंटरनेशनल ऑफिस में विजिट कीजिए. आपको अपडेट मिलेगा, और आपको जो भी रिक्वायर्ड है वो आपको हमारे जो कंसर्न रिक्रूटर है आपको सब डिटेल्स बता देंगे. नेक्स्ट. जिशान अली खान इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर के लिए है। इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर प्रेजेंट, सर प्रेजेंट नहीं है इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर का। या आप सीवी शेयर कीजिए दिए गए मेल आईडी पर, अगर कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट्स आती रहती है, अगर कुछ आएगी तो आपको अपडेट देंगे। नेक्स्ट, Panduranga, any job for 60 to age person in material department? So present we don't have any vacancy for the material department. If any requirements come, we'll get back to you, sir. Thank you. Next,
Shahib Khan, Senior Tank Farm Senior Operator. So we have some opening for tank project, but not for the operation one. So you share your CV at Ambe resume at the Indian personal. So whenever the opening has been relevant positions are being disclosed, we can easily connect with you. Next, प्रकाश सिंह सर रिगिंग फॉरमैन के लिए है। इसमें रिगर एंड स्ट्रक्चर के लिए रहेगा। रिगिंग कम स्कैफोल्डिंग के लिए है। ये स्ट्रक्चर एंड पाइपिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए ओपनिंग आई है मेरे पास कतार के लिए। अगर आपको स्ट्रक्चर्स में भी और स्कैफोल्डिंग में एक्सपीरियंस है, स्ट्रक्चर का काम पाइपिंग का काम किया है रिगिंग में, तो आप रिगिंग का स्कैफोल्डिंग फॉरमैन के लिए अप्लाई कर लीजिए। नंबर रहेगा 8655843961। मेल आईडी है शुभांगी सीवी एट द रेट इंडियन पर्सनल। ये कतार लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए फ्री रिक्वायरमेंट है सर, आप अप्लाई कर लीजिए। थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट,
offshore rigging foreman. My WhatsApp number 90604526.
यस सर, ऑफशोर के लिए ही है ये ओपनिंग। आप हमारा जो मेल आईडी है शुभांगी सीवी उस पे शेयर कर लीजिए। व्हाट्सएप नंबर है 8655843961। इस पे आपका सीवी विद ऑल डॉक्यूमेंट शेयर कर लीजिए सर।
Abdullah Bari, do you guys also help civil engineers to find job? Yes, sir. We will help you to find the job for the civil engineer. You can visit the Ambe International office, or else you can share the CVs at Ambe International, Ambe resumes at the indianpersonal.com. If it is relevant, we will get back to you, sir, as per the client requirements. Next, Ranjit Dali, BMS operator HVAC technician. ऑपरेटर्स के लिए है सर, मिडल ईस्ट के लिए है। आप सीवी फॉरवर्ड कीजिए, अगर आपका सीवी रिलेवेंट रहेगा तो आप कांटेक्ट करेंगे, या फिर आप नियर बाय मुंबई में हो, आप एक बार वो अम्बे इंटरनेशनल ऑफिस विजिट कीजिए, आपको डिटेल्स में बता दिया जाएगा। नेक्स्ट, नेक्स्ट, Satyanarayana Meni, power plant job available. Present for the,
planning sir.
so we having vacancy for the planning power plant, planning engineer for the power plant. So it is, if it is real, you can share the given numbers also, or else you can share it on the given mail ID. If your CV is relevant, they will get back to you, sir. Thank you. Next,
Rayan Honda, require qualification for safety officer. Sir, as per the company wise, sometimes the qualification differ, but minimum qualification with degree or diploma required with NIBOSH IGC certification. You need to complete have the course of NIBOSH IGC. Sometimes some companies minimum take diploma, some companies minimum take degree qualifications. So diploma in safety most of the time it's not considered as so strong, but degree or diploma in mechanical, electrical or any other discipline can be considered with NIBOSH IGC with minimum 2 to 3 years Gulf experience we require. Next, Randy. Balabal. Overhead
Overhead
crane.
operator, ma'am, have available.
Sir, crane operators, yes, we have been upcoming with crane operators के लिए पोजीशन आती रहती है. आप आपका सीवी operators @indian personal पे शेयर कर लीजिए. जो हमारी कंसर्न रिक्रूटमेंट टीम है आपको सर कांटेक्ट कर लीजिए. अगर आप मुंबई में अवेलेबल हो तो ऑफिस विजिट कर लीजिए. गणपत पाटनकर, आई एम अ ड्राइवर, आई वांट अ जॉब. यस सर, ड्राइवर के लिए जॉब है. अगर आप मुंबई में हो तो हमारे ऑफिस विजिट कर लीजिए. अगर आप मुंबई में अवेलेबल नहीं हो तो ड्राइवर्स @इंडियन पर्सनल पे आपका सीवी शेयर कर लीजिए. कंसर्न टीम आपको कॉल कर लेगी. इसके ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यूज हो रहे हैं विद इमीडिएट ऑफर लेटर्स एंड डिपार्चर्स हो रहे हैं ड्राइवर्स के लिए. नेक्स्ट.
Next, Shailendra Bhuwani. Any senior level requirement for engineer specialist rotating? So, present we don't have any vacancy for the rotating. You can share the CV at given mail ID or else you can contact on the given numbers. Thank you, sir. Next, Nizamuddin, senior electrical engineer. So, present senior electrical engineer, we have the vacancy. Senior electrical. So present we don't have any vacancy for the senior electrical engineer. You can share the CV at given mail ID, uh, mechanical@indianpersonal.com. We will get back to you, sir. Next. Uh, yeah, I have a 15 plus experience in construction. Yes, sir. You can share the CV. If any vacancies come, we will get back to you, sir. Thank you. Next. Shankar Sharma, truck machinist, truck mechanic, ट्रक ड्राइवर्स के लिए है सर. आप ड्राइवर्स के लिए देख रहे हो तो अम्बे इंटरनेशनल ऑफिस में विजिट कीजिए. इंटरव्यूज हो रहे हैं और आपको आप विजिट कर सकते हो सर अम्बे इंटरनेशनल ऑफिस में या फिर आप कांटेक्ट कीजिए. आपको डिटेल्स मिल जाएगा दिए गए नंबर्स पर. नेक्स्ट. मी क्रेन ऑपरेटर वो शिपयार्ड एक्सपीरियंस दुबई ड्राईडॉक एंड ओमान ड्राईडॉक कंपनीज में यूरोप में जाना चाहता हूँ. आप भी बेच सकते हो क्या? 42 ईयर्स में उम्र है. कंट्री क्रेन ऑपरेटर, शिप क्रेन ऑपरेटर, क्रेन आदि चलता हूँ. ऑपरेटर ऑपरेटर @indianpersonal.com पे आपका सीवी भेज दीजिए. अगर ऑपरेटर का कुछ वैकेंसी होता है, अगर वैकेंसी है देन तो अगर आप सीवी भेज दो आपको सामने से कॉल आ जाएगा सर. नेक्स्ट. Mohammad Shiraj Khan. Hello, good afternoon. Do you have any opening for land surveyor? I have 14 years of experience, 10 years of experience, and for. So present we don't have any vacancy for the land surveyor. We will if any interviews come, upcoming interview will get the update. You can scan the QR code. You will get the update. Interview will be shortly will be there. You can share the CV. Next. mechanical@indianpersonal.com पे शेयर कीजिए सर. विकास चौधरी, हेवी ड्राइवर, ECR पासपोर्ट है, गल्फ एक्सपीरियंस है, इंडियन एक्सपीरियंस 7, गल्फ 2 7. सर आप नियर बाय मुंबई में हो तो आप आके ऑफिस विजिट कीजिए. आपको जो भी हमारे कंसर्न कोऑर्डिनेटर है आपको अपडेट देंगे जो भी है. ये जो है वो गल्फ कंट्री के लिए है सर. नेक्स्ट.
कुमार राजन, इलेक्ट्रिशियन का है क्या? 4 years रिटर्न है सर. इलेक्ट्रिशियंस के लिए ओपनिंग आती रहती है. आप आपका सीवी इंडियन पर्सनल पे शेयर कीजिए. अगर कोई अपकमिंग ओपनिंग रहेगी तो हमारी रिक्रूटमेंट टीम आपको कांटेक्ट कर लेगी. नेक्स्ट. अनिल कुमार, मणिकंदन बालाकृष्ण, मटेरियल कोऑर्डिनेटर, ऑयल एंड गैस फील्ड. सर मटेरियल कोऑर्डिनेटर के लिए अभी अपकमिंग कोई ओपनिंग्स नहीं है, अगर कुछ ओपनिंग्स आती हैं तो हमारी रिक्रूटमेंट टीम आपको अपडेट करेगी। सो आप आपका सीवी मैकेनिकल इंडियन पर्सनल पे शेयर कीजिए।
कुमरवेली इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर पोस्टिंग अवेलेबल है। Sir, present we don't have any vacancy for the electrical posting. You can share the CV at the given mail ID, mechanical at the rate indianpersonal.com, or else you can share the CVs on the given number also. Next,
Ani- Ankit Tiwari. I'm a BTech holder electrical department currently working in Saudi as a sales engineer in in-house sales, and previously I was in Oman in same profession with same designation and looking for the opportunity in Europe or Gulf too. So right now, sir, we don't have any opening for the sales engineer in electrical department, but in Europe, we'll be upcoming with more projects from the European country, which are already connect with us, and ongoing projects are being tied up with them. So you share and keep your CV at ENI at the rate Indian Personal. So if any upcoming opening is there, so surely we'll connect with you. Thank you. Next. एमडी इरशाद आलम फॉर सेफ्टी। यस सर, सेफ्टी ऑफिसर के लिए है रिक्वायरमेंट। आप आपका लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए भी है, शट डाउन के लिए भी है। आप आपका सीवी सेफ्टी एट द रेट इंडियन पर्सनल पे शेयर कर लीजिए या मैकेनिकल एट द रेट इंडियन पर्सनल पे शेयर कर लीजिए। शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए अगर है तो 8657051262। मैं नंबर वापस रिपीट कर रही हूँ, अगर आप शट डाउन के लिए इंटरेस्टेड हो तो 8657051262। अश्विनी मैम को आप आपका सीवी विद ऑल डॉक्यूमेंट शेयर कर लीजिए, मैम आपको कांटेक्ट कर लेगी एंड अदर सैलरीज एंड इंटरव्यू डिटेल डिस्क्लोज कर लेगी। थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट।
senior electrical and ELV technician, Intizar Ahmed. Sir, present we don't have any vacancy for ELV technician and senior electrician. Then too, you can share the CV at the given mail ID mechanical at the indianpersonal.com, or else you can share the given numbers also. If any requirements come, they will get back to you in futures. Next, as Anjani Kumar, as an electrical operator and maintenance engineer with 12 years of experience in airport systems, handling system, PBB, GPU, PCC, operating maintenance. Sir, present we don't have any vacancy for the electrical operating and maintenance engineer. You can share the CV. We will get back to you, sir. Thank you. Next. Imran Ali, pipe fabricator. Sir, we have a pipe fabricator है सर, 3 लोकेशंस के लिए है। बट आप नियर बाय मुंबई में हो तो आप आके अम्बे इंटरनेशनल ऑफिस में विजिट कर लो। आपको इन आगे का जो भी डिटेल्स में जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन जो भी है आपको हमारे कोऑर्डिनेटर आके आपको बताएंगे। आप आके एक बार विजिट कीजिए ऑफिस में। Next, Krishna Maurya, civil structural engineer, highway engineer. So present, we don't have any vacancy for the civil structural engineer. You can share the CV at given mail ID, or else you can contact. If you have any saw the advertisement, you can share it on the number. Next, thank you. Thank you for joining the live session today. You can follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. You can contact on the given number 022. It's a landline number 02261431123 or else WhatsApp on 82919 99288, or else you can visit on www.ambeinternational.com. You can visit Ambe International Office 507 Shinar Industrial Estate, Dr. Emos Road, Valli Naka, Mumbai 40018. You can scan the QR code given below. You will get the in future update for the requirements. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Thank you.